Hello, what's up guys, this is H83 from Technical Advisor. Today in this video we're going to talk about how to install Windows 11 on your desktop or maybe on your laptop easily without any need for the installation key or anything like that. We'll be installing the cracked version, which will be very easy for you to run on your system without having a need to actually buy Windows 11 for your system. Okay, so let's directly go ahead and proceed with that. So first of all, we'll go to the official website of Windows 11 so that we'll be able to see the minimum requirements of Windows 11 for your system. So as we can see on the system, it says a processor of 1 gigs and above with a RAM of 4 GB and the storage needs to be at least 64 GB or above. Alright. And it's really important for us to understand. The most important thing is we need to have a graphic card installed on our system, that is the DirectX 12, which should be compatible so that you will be able to use the operating system of Windows 11 without any glitches in between. Okay, so let's go directly head over to the installation process. Okay, so I've dropped the link of the installation file for Windows 11. You can directly go to the description and just directly download from the link. Okay, the second thing we need to do is Windows 7 USB DVD tool. Alright, so we'll directly install it. I'll drop the link even for the same on the description below, and once we have downloaded, we'll directly install the toolkit on our system. And as we are installing it right now, it's done. Alright, perfect. Once the pen drive is installed on the system, we'll directly run the Windows USB DVD tool so that we'll be able to make our pen drive bootable. Alright, so we'll just look for Windows 7 USB DVD tool. Make sure to follow the entire process carefully so that you don't miss on anything. We'll browse it and we'll look for the ISO file and directly open. Next, and USB device, will make sure the USB device, that is a pen drive, is formatted. We should not have any files on the pen drive. And once it's done, the Windows 11 will be installed directly. So this step is really important. Once the ISO file is successfully burned on the pen drive, what we need to do is we need to restart our system. Alright, once the system is restarted, we need to look for the options, like look for the brands and the assembled computer motherboards. If you are someone who is using Dell laptop with the motherboard of Gigabyte or Intel, if you continuously type F12, you'll be able to see the BIOS option over there. But if you are someone who is using Asus laptop brands with the assembled computer motherboard of ECS or Spark or Soyo, you have to press escape button continuously for that, so that you will be able to directly go into the BIOS option. Alright, so you can pause the video and you can look for the brands that you are using along with the computer motherboard brand as well. Okay, so this is the screen that you will be seeing, that is the BIOS screen. You won't be able to use mouse over here, so all that you need to do is you need to use the arrow key, the up, down, right, left arrow key. So by default you will be on the main option, on the main tab. What you need to do is you need to hover towards the boot tab by pressing the right arrow key. Go to the boot tab, and when you scroll down to the option, and you will be able to see boot device priority. And again, you need to scroll down and you have to select first boot device as your pen drive. You can see over here, just do it exactly so that you will be able to make the pen drive option to be the priority. Okay, once that is done, we'll directly run towards the installation. What you need to do is you have to restart your system. Once the system is restarted, your pen drive the system will read the pen drive, and this is what you will be seeing on the screen. Make sure to follow the entire step carefully so that you don't miss on anything. If you don't have the license key, you can directly skip it and you can use the Windows 11 Professional. Okay, so this is the last step that we'll be following. The reason we'll be doing this is so that we don't get something like we don't get an option that says activate your Windows after few weeks on your screen. Okay, so in order to remove that process, what you need to do is you need to cancel all the update features. So in order to do that, you need to press you have to open a command prompt, and the quickest way to do that is hit Windows plus R. That you need to hit that key and you'll be able to see this option that says over here. So you just need to type services.msc and you need to look for the option that says Windows Update, stop it, and after that properties and disable it. Okay, so once this is done, your Windows 11 will be installed on your system successfully. And make sure to follow entire step, and if you are missing on some of the steps, what you can do is you can go back and play the sequence again, play the video again, or maybe you can pause and play. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I believe that you have been blessed by this video. So if you are someone who is really new to this YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button over there and also like the video, and also make sure to watch the other videos that is uploaded on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, have a good day, bye bye.